In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the no sound problem in Windows 11 in just 5 minutes. Whether you're troubleshooting for yourself or helping a friend, these steps will guide you to quickly restore sound on your computer. First, let's begin by heading to the Start menu. Simply click on the Start button, which you'll find in the bottom left corner of your screen. From the menu that appears, select Settings. This is our gateway to several system configurations, and today we're focusing on sound. Once you're in Settings, navigate to the System option, which will usually be at the top of the list. With a single click, you'll find various system settings displayed on the left side. Look for Sound and click on it. This section controls all the audio settings for your computer. Now, pay close attention to the Output Device section. Here, you'll need to select the correct speaker that you're currently using. Make sure it's set as the default output device. Sometimes, sound issues can be as simple as incorrect speaker selection, so double-check this before moving forward. Next, we'll explore the Device Manager to ensure all sound devices are functioning correctly. Begin by right-clicking on the Start button again. This time, choose Device Manager from the list. In the Device Manager window, locate the Audio Inputs and Outputs category and click on it to expand the section, revealing a list of audio devices. Identify the specific device you're using for sound. Right-click on it, and from the context menu, select Update Driver. This step helps ensure your sound device is running the most current and compatible driver. In the Update window, go for the option labeled Search Automatically for Drivers. This allows Windows to go online and find any available updates for your sound driver. If an update is found, it will be installed automatically, potentially resolving any sound issues related to outdated drivers. These steps should help you troubleshoot and correct sound issues on your Windows 11 computer. By checking each of these areas, your audio settings in both the System Settings and Device Manager, you can swiftly identify and fix most common sound problems. If you find that the issue persists even after these steps, it may be worthwhile to consult a professional technician or visit a dedicated support center for a more in-depth diagnosis. Thanks for joining me for this quick guide on resolving sound problems in Windows 11. I hope this helps you get your audio back on track without too much hassle. Feel free to check out more of our tutorials and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Until next time, take care.